Hello everyone. After completion of this class, you may able to prepare balance sheet. The balance sheet is same as in trading account. Whatever the balance sheet is prepared in trading account, same that balance sheet should be prepared in this uh, non-trading organization. To prepare the previous balance sheet, points to be given in the problem to ascertain capital fund. So recap. So what is meant by balance sheet? So how it is paid? What is capital in sole trading concern? What brought? Okay. Now see here, the balance sheet is prepared by non-trading concerns in usual manner like trading concerns. Whatever the balance sheet is prepared in trading account, same as that balance sheet should be prepared in non-trading organizations. The income and expenditure is accompanied by the balance sheet. With the help of receipts and payments account, we prepare income and expenditure account. After completion of preparation of income and expenditure, then we should prepare balance sheet. The balance sheet covers all those items such as property, assets, liabilities, and capital fund. Balance sheet of non trading concerns, all capital receipts and capital payments will be shown in the balance sheet. Already in the earlier classes, from the earlier classes, we know that all revenue items should be prepared in income and expenditure account, whereas capital items, whether it is a capital receipt or capital payment, it should be recorded in balance sheet. Okay? Only capital items should be recorded in balance sheet, as well as an asset side, assets should be recorded. In the balance sheet, the assets are shown on right hand side, means asset side. In balance sheet, the first column is liability column, second one is amount column. It belongs to liabilities. Next third column is asset column. Next fourth one amount belongs to assets column. Okay, so all liabilities, all capital items should be posted in liability side, and capital fund should be shown on the left hand side, that is liability side. All assets should be posted in right hand side of balance sheet. In the year of commencement of a non-trading concern, there will not be a capital fund. Donation of the specified capital receipt should be taken as capital income and must shown as liability side. So see here one illustration. The organization named that Star Sports Club started organization on 1170. Their receipts and payments account for the period ending 31/12/1970 is given below. Okay, 31/12/1970. So see here, it's the receipts and payments account. Receipt side, see here what are the items is there. To donations, $50,000. To life member fee 1500, to entrance fee 2500, to tournament fund to subscriptions 10,000, subscriptions including 100 for 1971, 200, to interest 900, to interest 200, to other match receipts 900, to sundry receipts 100. Buy building 40,000, buy tournament expenses 900, buy furniture 2100, buy salaries 1800, buy expenditure of cricket 1140, buy insurance 360, buy gardening 170, buy printing 80, buy postage 200, buy sundries 150, buy investments 18,000, by cash balance 3,500, total is 68,400. So see here the adjustments of above receipts and payments account. Subscription for rupees for 1970 amounting rupees 300 were outstanding. Unpaid salaries 1970 were rupees 170, rupees 200 is the amount of interest accrued on investment, means 200, we receive 200 in the form of interest from investments. So then we are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So see here we are preparing income and expenditure account for the year ending 31/12/1970. To salaries 1800, outstanding salaries 170 to be added, then the total amount is 1970. To insurance 360 and prepaid should be deducted from that and net value is 180. To postage 200, to printing 80 rupees, to sundries 150, to gardening 170, to cricket expenses 1140. So these all are revenue expenses. So coming to credit side, buy subscriptions 3200 less received in advance 100, 3100, 300 outstanding of current year 3400. By other match receipts 900. So these are all the incomes. See here, by interest we are receiving the interest 200. By sundry receipts, it is a collection of small expenses, it's called as sundry small incomes. Receipts, sundry receipts 100. To interest on investments 200, entrance fee 2500, 7300. The balance is 3140. It becomes surplus. We do not use the word profit. The word profit used in profit and loss account, we use the word in surplus. Excess of income over expenditure. Next, balance sheet of Star Sports Club as on 31/12/1970. 1970. 1970. Donations 50,000. Liability is a capital item. Life membership fee is a capital. So 1500. Tournament fund less expenses 2500. 10,000. Outstanding salaries 3200. Subscriptions received in advance 200. Excess of income over expenditure 900. 100. Okay. Cash 40,000. Investments 900. Buildings 2100. Furniture is an asset. 1800. Subscription outstanding means it is an asset, it is a current asset. So posted here 1140. Prepaid insurance also treated as asset. 170. Interest on investments accrued 80. 200 like that. 68,400. Next, in fact there is no capital for non-trading concerns since it is a non-profit organization, whereas in trading organization we prepare two accounts and one balance sheet. The first one is trading account, second one is profit and loss account, next one is balance sheet. So here, but in case of trading organization in balance sheet we use the word capital. Then to that capital, if we get net profit, we should be added. We will add. Otherwise, we may deduct. So in case of non-trading, we are not use the word capital fund. We use the capital. Use the word only capital fund. In fact, there is no capital for non-trading concerns since it is a non-profit organization. Okay. Special funds collected from the public and charity for running the organization is called capital fund. Special fund is to be collected. So calculation of capital fund, if capital at the beginning is not given, it should be found by deducting liabilities from assets. Okay, if capital at the beginning is not given, we should found deducting the liabilities from assets. So assets given at the beginning of this year are to be treated as assets and last year posted on asset side. Revenue income such as interest receivable, subscription receivable for the last year received during the year, assets last year post them on assets. So whatever the closing balances of the previous year, that should be the opening balance to the current year. That item should be posted in this balance sheet. Means for getting capital fund we may prepare one new balance sheet. Liabilities given at the beginning of the year are treated as liabilities of the last year, post them on liabilities. Outstanding salaries, outstanding rents, etc. of the previous year paid in current year has to be taken to find the capital fund. Post them on liabilities. Identify all such items and find the balance. The balance is capital fund. Now see here, from the following receipts and payments account of Jupiter Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 99 and balance sheet on the as on that date. See here, receipts and payments to balance as on 1199, cash current account 704, fixed deposited at the rate 6%. December 31st, see here, subscription including 1200 for 1998, 80,000, 8,000. entrance fee 550, donation 1002, interest on fixed deposited 180, tournament fund 4000, sale of crockery book value 240 and 400, crockery purchased 530, by maintenance 1364, by match expenses 2648, by conveyance 164, by upkeep lawns 848, by purchase of cricket grounds 1944, by investments 1140, by salaries 2200, by postage stamps 210, sundries 400, by tournament expenses 3760, by balance of cash 440, current account 4664, fixed deposit 6000. This is the receipts and payments account. The additional information is given here. See here, monthly salary is 1200, 200, value of in used postal stamps 98, 150, 99, 180. So 150 is taken in opening balance sheet, that is it is used to find the capital fund, whereas 180 is posted in balance sheet. Cricket equipment December 31st 99, 642 and 560 will be added. Arrears of subscription 1320 is used in balance sheet, new balance sheet. 1999, 1600 should be posted in balance, closing balance sheet. So see here, income and expenditure account of Jupiter Club for the year ending 31 December 99, to maintenance 1364, to match expenses 2645, conveyance 164. So these are all the revenue items. It should be posted expenditure side, revenue expenses, or revenue income posted in income side, credit side. To salaries 2200, outstanding 200, 2400. To postage stamps 210, add opening balance 150 and closing balance 180 should be deducted. The net value is 180. To sundries means etc. incomes. So it should be posted debit side 400. Cricket equipment 1944, opening is 642, closing 560. The net value is to be shown here. 2026. Excess of income or expenditure 442. Okay. Coming to the income side, we have to record the transaction. Subscription 8000. The last year 1200 is to be deducted, and later current year outstanding will be added 8400. After that, entrance fee is treated as revenue expenditure, revenue income, so it will be posted in credit side. By interest on fixed deposits 180, 180, 360 is to be added. Profit on sale of crockery 160 to be okay. So see here, this is a new one. We are preparing the balance sheet. So capital fund balancing figure 14,532. So see here, cash is asset, current asset, so it will be posted in asset side 704, bank 5,476, fixed deposit 6,000, subscription 1320, 1,320, postage stamps 150, cricket equipment 642, crockery 240, total 14,532. So see here, these are all the opening balances. We find the while we are preparing two balance sheets, one for finding capital fund and one for the original balance, that is the closing balance sheet. So see here, these are all the opening balances. Cash means opening balance of cash. Bank means opening balance. Fixed deposit opening. Subscription last year's means current year's opening balance, subscription house, postage stamps, cricket equipment, crockery, same. These are all opening balances. Whatever the balance is there, it should be named as capital fund balancing figure. Capital fund 14,532. So this is the main balance sheet. Here we are preparing 31st December 1999 balance sheet on 31st December 1999 of Jupiter Club. Salaries outstanding 200, tournament fund 4,000 minus expenses should be deducted from that 3,760. The net amount should be shown here 240. Capital fund 14,532. Next, add income and expenditure, add excess of income or expenditure. If we get expenditure over income, that should be deducted. But here we got excess of income over expenditure, means surplus. We are getting surplus more. So we have to add. It's called as a indirectly profit. Profit should be, profit is always added to the capital. So here we added 442. So answer is 14,974. Next, coming to asset side. The first one is cash 440, closing balance of cash, closing balance of bank 4,664, fixed deposit 6,000. These are all the assets, investments, fixed asset 1140. Postage stamps is a current asset 180. Cricket equipment fixed asset 560. Crockery 530. Subscriptions 120 plus 1600 1720. Deposit 180. Total answer is 15,414. Okay. When the capital fund is not given in the problem, it should be asserting that to find out the capital fund, the formula is assets minus liabilities. Means we have, in any problem capital fund is not given, so we have to follow this formula, assets minus liabilities, the balance is capital fund. Okay, the balance sheet is prepared by non-trading concerns also. Income and expenditure account is accompanied by the balance sheet. It is similar to balance sheet prepared in sole trading concerns. So like this we have to prepare balance sheets with the help of capital fund. Okay, thank you.